Hello everyone, konnichiwa. Welcome to this video which is about time expressions in daily life. You will learn how to say today, the previous days like yesterday, day before yesterday, the future days like tomorrow, day after tomorrow, and the time of the day like morning, noon, etc. in Japanese. You will also learn how to pronounce them correctly, so please watch it till the end. Let me begin with the word kyo, which means today. It is not kyo, but pronounced as kyo. The kanji, which is the Chinese character of kyo, consists of two characters. The first one, which means now, and the second one, which means day. So, kyo literally means this day in Japanese. In a formal situation, a more polite expression, honjitsu, is used. This you will learn later on. For the time being, please remember the word kyo, which means today. Next, let us see the other words related to the previous and future days. Ototoi is day before yesterday. Kino is yesterday. Ashita is tomorrow. It is not ashita but ashita. The I is virtually silent here, so it has to be pronounced as ashita. Next is asatte, which means day after tomorrow. Let me pronounce them once. Ototoi, kino, kyo, ashita, asatte. Next, let us see the words which are related to the time of the day. Asa is morning, hiru is noon, ban is late evening. You can consider the word ban as the period after the sun has set and until it has become dark enough to be called yoru. In fact, for evening, another word called yugata is used. Don't worry, you will learn about this word later on. For the time being, please remember the word ban, which means late evening. Many of you would have heard of konbanwa, which actually means good evening. The next word is yoru, which means night. Let me pronounce them once. Asa, hiru, ban, yoru. Next, let us learn how to add the particle no in between the day and the time of the day. The particle no connects a noun with another and is used to show possession or belonging to. I'll give you a simple example. Ashita is tomorrow, asa is morning, so if I use the particle no to connect these two words, I will get ashita no asa. It means the morning of tomorrow. Or I can say the morning belonging to tomorrow. That is tomorrow morning. Okay? Let me take another example. Kino is yesterday, yoru is night, so if I use the particle no to connect these two words, I will get kino no yoru, which means last night. Although there is another word called yube, which is used for last night, you can also use kino no yoru. Let me take another example. Asatte is day after tomorrow. Hiru is noon, so if I use the particle no to connect these two words, I will get asatte no hiru, which means the noon of day after tomorrow. Okay? On similar lines, if you connect any day and the time with the particle no, you will be able to tell it correctly in Japanese. But please note that for today, there are some special words which you must remember. For this morning, they use kesa instead of kyo no asa. For this evening, they use konban instead of kyo no ban. And for tonight, they use konya instead of kyo no yoru. Just practice a couple of times and you will get the hang of it. The next word which you must remember is mai, which means every. If you have watched my video on months and dates, you would have learned the word nichi, which is day. Just add mai to nichi and it becomes mai nichi, which means every day. On similar lines, every morning is mai asa and every late evening is mai ban. Actually, for every night, there is a special word, mai yo, but it appears mainly in novels. In daily conversation, the word mai ban is commonly used even for every night. So, please remember these three words, mai nichi, mai asa and mai ban. If you are doing something repeatedly every day or every morning or every night, and if you want to express it in Japanese, then these words will be helpful. Okay? Next, let me take a few examples for practice. I assume you are all familiar with the days of the week in Japanese. How do we say tomorrow is Tuesday? Tomorrow is ashita and Tuesday is kayobi. So in Japanese they will say ashita wa kayobi desu. Wa is the particle which indicates what the speaker is going to talk about, and this is used at the end of a sentence ending with a noun or an adjective. Let me take another example. How do we say yesterday was Friday? Yesterday is kino and Friday is kinyobi. So in Japanese they will say kino wa kinyobi deshita. Va is the same particle, but in this example we have a new word, deshta, which is actually the past tense of this. Yesterday is past compared to the present moment, and so deshta is used instead of this. So that is it. I hope this video was useful. If you found the video good, give it a thumbs up and share it with others. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.